Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My BOXYCHARM boxes are here for the month. It is a Luxe month, which means I have 3 boxes. There is so much to use here, so today we're going to do a full unboxing and walkthrough of everything in my Luxe BOXYCHARM box. This is the summer quarterly Boxyluxe, and then we will be doing a full unboxing of each of my tiers of boxes, and then I'm going to do a separate video trying pretty much all of the makeup in a single video. A lot of the products in here I'm either familiar with, I have different colors of, maybe different varieties or shades, or I've used the product before, so I can give you a little bit more insight into that. But today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impression review of my Luxe BOXYCHARM box for the month of June. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my Luxe box with me and all of the fun goodies inside, stay tuned. All right, so this is the Summer Luxe box, and this is actually variation 409, which means there's a ton of variations in Boxyluxe. The one thing I'm really excited about is BOXYCHARM announced that this month there will be a palette in every single box, which means we have a lot of things to play with. So jumping right in, I do also want to give you the disclaimer. This is sent to me for reviewing purposes, but this is absolutely not sponsored. Every single opinion you get is absolutely my own. No sponsorship, no nothing. I am telling you what I feel only without sugarcoating it. So, first item out of the box. This is from Rare Beauty, and this is the Discovery Eyeshadow Palette, retailing for $29. And this is in the, I almost said in the shade, but in the variety, because there's a bunch of the Discovery Eyeshadow Palettes. This one is called Came to Play. Inspired by Selena's playful side, these berry and rose-based shades celebrate the ever-changing colors as we reflect every day. Discover easy-to-wear combos so you don't have to think about it with 7 rich, buttery shades in a range of finishes. From matte to duochrome plus a 3D glitter top coat, add shimmering dimension to any look. Now this is really pretty, and you know I love my cool tones, so I'm really excited to jump into this. I have never used this palette, but I did use it was another one of the shades. It was more of like the warm tone brownie sunset vibe, and the formula was really nice. I am excited to play with it again because it has been a while. The next item out of the box is actually a repeat item, but one I'm not upset to see. This is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer from Wishful, which is the Huda Beauty skincare line. Luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps to minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to help you enhance your self-care routine. Now, this is a repeat item that we have already received in BOXYCHARM, so I am very familiar. I have used it, I've reviewed it, I went through an entire tube of it. So it is a product that I'm very familiar with and I do really like. I agree with all of the claims that it says. I will be honest, it's not my absolute favorite moisturizer of all time, but it is one that I do really enjoy, so I will be working this back into my routine. I'm not going to open it just because the second that you open it, it starts the timer on things expiring. But I am going to pull it out of the box so you can see the packaging. And if you have been viewing my channel for a while, you'll remember when I did the original review of this product. I've also posted about it on TikTok and Instagram. So not a new product to me and definitely a great one. Next from the brand Nars, this is the iconic lipstick in the shade Chelsea Girls. No rules, just lips, a new formula, dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oils to enhance color, vibrancy, condition the lips for radically light wear, and unprecedented feel, endless artistry, infinite expression, retailing for $26. Now, somewhere in here, I had a few of these lip products, and when I moved from Florida to Colorado, I actually downsized them from my collection. I am not a huge fan of the formula. Some of them are sheer, some of them are matte, some of them are satin. This is one of the sheer formulas, which I absolutely did not enjoy. I didn't find it sheer so much as I found it patchy, so that is going to be both a fail and a pass from me. Next from the brand Elemis, this is the Clarifying Clay Wash. Deeply cleanse pores and reduce the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash, specifically formulated for oily or blemish-prone skin. The non-drying formula is infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and daily impurities, hawthorn extract to leave the skin feeling soothed, and boldo leaf extract to improve the look of skin clarity. This balancing cleanser also helps to visibly improve the look of skin texture whilst minimizing the look of blackheads and post-blemish discoloration. Gentle enough for daily use, it leaves the skin looking clear, less oily, and more even than ever, retailing for $49. Now, this is from the Elemis line, which I've used quite a few products from, but I've never used this one particularly. I did get a trial size of it in my Ipsy last month or the month before, but I haven't yet gotten a chance to try it. So I'm going to grab the trial size and give it a try, and when we do the demo of all of these products, I'll have a little bit more for you. But so far, everything I have used from Elemis I have really liked, and it's not really a brand that I ever really have any issues with. So I'm really excited to give that a try. Next up from Keys Soul Care, this is the Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. This is Alicia Keys' skincare line. A hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow, helping to brighten, plump, and smooth the look of your skin, retailing for $26. And this is in the shade Golden Aura. I'm not sure if there are multiple shades or that's just the name of this shade. We received a moisturizer from this line a couple months ago, and I'll be honest, I still haven't even opened to try that one yet. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, so I'm gonna have to give this a try. I know with skincare and serums, I tend to not open a bunch. I pretty much like to have one or two open at a time, but because this does double as a primer, I will be using this as a priming base when we put, again, the whole bunch of makeup to the test. Next up from Patrick Ta, this is the Major Glow Lip Shine Universally Flattering High Shine Lip Gloss with a cushion and a slip of lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine, retailing for $22. Now, this is in the shade She's Expensive. I did used to own this, and I don't know if my sister took it or what happened to it, but back when this launched a very long time ago, I did pick it up, and I was a big fan of it. And I don't know where it went. Somewhere in the move, it got lost. So we're going to add a tiny bit more of this on today, just because my lips are feeling a little dry. I love the flavor, I love the smell, and most importantly, I love how high shine it is. You can wear this on its own or on top of something else. I had a lip balm on underneath. Definitely something I enjoy and cannot wait to put this back in my rotation. Next up, we have the Iconic London Sheer Blush. This is formulated with a unique gel to watercolor texture. The blendable, buildable blush melts right into your skin to give you a soft, lit from within flush, retailing for $27. And I know we're going to be doing a video where we try on a bunch of stuff, but I'm actually going to try this one right now because I do feel like I could do a little bit more blush. Ooh. Okay, so I opened it and it exploded, so that's not great. I'm going to clean this up. I'll be right back. All right, so the obvious and immediate packaging fail, it did leak pretty much everywhere, but I'm going to take a little bit on the butt of a beauty blender and apply a little to my cheeks. Hopefully the formula makes up for the fact that it literally just exploded everywhere. So I have a little bit of concealer and a tiny bit of powder on, no foundation, no tinted moisturizer. So this is looking really beautiful on the skin. You'll notice it added a tiny bit of extra rosiness to this side of my face, and you see how glowy that cheek is? I think this might be a really nice formula. I think sheer is the right word. There's definitely not a ton of pigment here, but it is a very pretty finish. And if you're somebody who likes to layer your products, taking a tiny bit of a powder blush on top of this shade might be a really pretty look. It also is definitely that lit from within glow like it says. And I'm just going to add a little bit. Whenever I have a tiny bit left cream blush on the sponge, I just kind of like to put it everywhere because I love that blushy look, especially in the summer, but I love how glowy that looks. And the last product in the Luxe box comes from the brand UV Beauty. This is the BU Limited Collection, 3 full-size and 3 antibacterial blenders to keep your skin clearer and prettier by preventing bacteria growth throughout. The cloud-like texture sets your makeup with the softest, most effortless way while also preserving your costly creams, liquids, and powders. Developed in support with solidarity of the LGBTQ+ community, where you can always be proud to be you. So there's a bunch of different sponges in here, and thematically they're all rainbow. Definitely on theme for the month. I think they're cute. Obviously, I've said this before, I don't love mini sponges, so I will be giving those away, but I'm excited to try out the full-size ones. And the set of all of the sponges retails for $65. So all in, for $49, this box has a retail value of $287. And I know I only tried 2 of the products on camera, but I did have some experience with some of the other ones that I know I either like or didn't like. Just looking at the lip gloss and the blush together, those 2 products had a $49 value. So this alone paid for the box. Whenever I look at these boxes, I like to ask myself, would I be better off taking 50 bucks and going to Ulta, Sephora, Target, Walmart, wherever you decide to buy your beauty products? And would I be better off just buying 2 items there? And in this case, with the palette, these products, and all of the other items that I am going to try, definitely one of those months where the box definitely outweighs the value. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you have to say, but this was definitely a win of a box for me. I still want to hear your opinions down in the comment section, but for me, definitely a great box. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.